Hey guys, welcome to another video. Tonight we're doing something really special. We told you we bought something for the kitchen that we've been wanting for a long time, and we're using it tonight. Today is Valentine's. My wife is prepared. The house, it looks amazing. I'll share that with you guys in a minute. She's in the back getting ready, but I'm in front of the spice rack, so you know it's getting ready to go down in the kitchen. Look what we got. So now I'm getting ready to unbox this, see what it takes to make this delicious chicken I keep hearing about in this air fryer, and let you guys come along with us the entire way. So guys, as you can see, it comes with this pan underneath it, and 3 of these metal racks that just slide right into these slots. So it's time to figure this thing out. So guys, I think I got this thing set up correctly already. It was pretty simple. You plug it in, and of course I'm making sure I read the instruction because somebody always makes fun of me, but it's pretty easy. You just, if you're cooking chicken, press button number 13. If you're cooking fish, number 10, and it coincides right here. See? Fish, chicken, rotisserie, pizza right there, scrimps, fruit. So now I need to figure out how to get this chicken in here, get it battered, put it in here, and let it start cooking. 40 minutes later, we should have some delicious chicken once we get it started. So guys, we're going to follow the instructions from the Recipe Critic. It's a website, therecipecritic.com, for crispy chicken. And I'll post a link to the air fryer recipe for chicken in this video. Alright guys, so we got dinner done. We had fun making dinner. Guess who's ready?
The beauty.
So what do you think of your air fryer?
I don't know. Let me taste the food yet.
Speaking of food,
Whoa.
look how it turned out. The fries look delicious. They're crispy, crunchy. Of course, I've already tried 1 or 2 or 3 maybe. The chicken turned out great. Peas, and then over here. So here's one thing I noticed. This is our very first time using it. I'm gonna eat that anyway. It tastes really good, but the potatoes, we put this in the oven, the broccoli, but the food looks fantastic. The food turned out great. Now it's time to pop the cork on some wine and sit back and enjoy this evening. And we'll talk to you guys later.